Hi, this is Press Play Picture House, and today we are looking at this lenticular puzzle. It is a Disney Pixar Toy Story puzzle with 48 pieces. The cool thing about a lenticular puzzle is from one angle we'll have one picture, and then from another angle you can see a different picture. So they're very cool puzzles. Bullseye on the side of the box, and it looks like this is the puzzle we're going to do. It's got Jessie and Woody, two aliens, and it looks like it's in Andy's room. Okay, let's get this open. A great way to start your puzzle is to find the corners first. So this looks like a top right hand corner to me. This looks like an alien's foot, so it could be a bottom left. This one doesn't have many markings, but a process of elimination suggests that it's going to be a top left. A Disney Pixar sign gives away this is the bottom right hand. Here's Woody's face. Let's start working a bit on Jessie. Woody's starting to look pretty good now. Both Jessie and Woody are starting to take shape. Not only have they taken shape, but they look like they fit together. Here we have Jessie and Woody together. Here's our alien starting to take shape. And our other alien. Looks like it's connected to the bottom right hand corner. There's our alien, which looks like it will slot in nicely next to Woody. There's our other alien, which fits in nicely next to Jessie. Our puzzle's taking shape now. There we have our puzzle. And as you can see it from the different angles. A little bit more relaxed and then a little bit more animated. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and comment below. Subscribe to Press Play Picture House. See you next time.